Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, leave the comments and also don't forget to hit the like button. In this video, we are discussing on inverse Laplace transforms. Laplace transform f of t is nothing but capital F of s. Therefore, inverse Laplace transform of capital F of s is small f of any. No more examples on inverse Laplace transform using the partial fractions I'm going to do here. Find inverse Laplace transform of 2s square plus 5s minus 4 divided by s cube plus s square minus 2s. Let me check whether the denominator is possible to write in the factors or not. Okay, like it is s cube plus s square minus 2s. I can take s common, then it will become s square plus s minus 2. Okay, then whether the product of the minus 2 and addition of this one is possible or not. That is minus 2 I should get product, addition or subtraction should get plus 1. Therefore I can write it as 2 into minus 1. Okay, therefore s into s square plus 2s minus s minus 2, which is equal to s into s minus s plus 2 minus 1. I am taking common here, s plus 2. Again s plus 2 is common. Therefore s into s plus 2 into s minus 1. Therefore I can write denominator into factors like this. Now consider 2s square plus 5s minus 4 divided by s cube plus s square minus 2s. I can write it as 2s square plus 5s minus 4 divided by s into s plus 2 into s minus 1 I can write. Okay, then I can write the partial fractions of this as a divided by s plus b divided by s plus 2, okay, in plus c divided by s minus 1. Now taking the LCM and simplifying or multiplying by this on both sides, what I am going to get here is 2s square plus 5s minus 4 divided by s into s plus 2 into s minus 1 equal to a into s plus 2 into s minus 1 plus b into s into s minus 1 c into s plus 2 whole divided by s into s plus 2 s minus 1 as s. This is LCM, this one. Okay, therefore numerator must be equal to numerator, which implies 2s square plus 5s minus 4 is equal to a into s plus 2 s minus 1 b into s minus 1 and c into s plus 2. To find out the values of a, b, c, let me put s is equal to, let me put first 0. Okay, at s is equal to 0, in this side minus 4 equal to a into 0 plus 2, 0 minus 1 plus this is a 0, this is 0, which implies a is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 2, that is equal to plus 2. A is equal to plus 2 I am getting. Like that, let me put s is equal to next, s is equal to, let me put 2 minus 2, which implies 2 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 minus 4 equal to a into this term is 0 plus b into minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 plus c into again this term totally it is 0. Therefore which implies minus 2 into minus 3 will become minus 2 into minus 3 will become plus 6b is equal to, this is a 2 square, minus 2 square will become plus 4 into 8, 8 minus 10 is minus 2, minus 2 minus 4 will become minus 6, which implies b equal to 8. Here minus 6, therefore b equal to minus 6 divided by plus 6, which is equal to minus 1. Next let me put s is equal to get these two zeros, s equal to 1, then 2 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 4 equal to a into s equal to 1, this will become 0, b equal to this also become 0, plus c into 1 into 1 plus 2, which implies 3c is equal to 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 minus 4 is 3, which implies c is equal to plus 1. Okay, therefore what I can write now as I can write directly now here for your convenience, inverse Laplace transform of 2s square plus 5s minus 4 divided by s cube plus s square minus 2s equal to inverse Laplace transform of a divided by s. A divided by s. A is nothing but here 2. 2 divided by s plus inverse Laplace transform of b divided by s plus 2. B is minus 1. Minus 1 divided by s plus 2 plus inverse Laplace transform of c divided by s minus 1. C divided by s minus 1. Therefore our c is 1. 1 divided by s minus 1, which will become 2 into 2 s is only 2, its inverse Laplace transform, plus, and this I can take it as a minus outside, and it is e to the power minus 2t, and here plus it is e to the power t. This is the required inverse Laplace transform. Like this, another example I am going to do here. Another example is to find the inverse Laplace transform of 2s square minus 6s plus 5 divided by s minus 1 into s minus 2 into s minus 3. Okay, that is consider direct factors are there, denominator, and if it is proper fraction, therefore it is inverse Laplace transform of 2s square minus 6s plus 5 divided by s minus 1 into s minus 2 into s minus 3. I can write it as a divided by s minus 1 plus b divided by s minus 2 plus c divided by s minus 3. We can take the denominator LCM or just multiply throughout by this denominator, what I am going to get here. Okay, multiplying by s minus 1, s minus 2, s minus 3, which implies 2s square minus 6s plus 5 equal to a into s minus 1, s minus cancels, s minus 2 into s minus 3 plus b into here s minus 2 cancels, s minus 1 into s minus 3 plus c into s minus 3 cancels, s minus 1 into s minus 2. Okay, then let me put to find out ABC. Let me put S is equal to get the second two terms, S minus 1 is common. Therefore, let me put S is equal to 1 here, which implies 2 into 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 5 equal to A into 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3 plus these two are 0. Okay, here 2 minus 6 will become minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 is nothing but 1 equal to then A into minus 1 into minus 2, which implies A is equal to 1 divided by 2 I am going to get. Like that, to get B, common term for A and C is S minus 2. Let me put S is equal to 2. Okay, by putting S equal to 2, 2 into 2 square minus 6 into 2 plus 5 equal to A into S minus 2, first term 0, B into S equal to 2, 2 minus 1, S equal to 2, 2 minus 3 plus C into 0. Therefore, I am going to get 2 square as 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 minus 12 plus 5 equal to B into 2 in minus 1, 2 is minus 1 is 1 into minus 1, which implies B is equal to minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 is again 1. 1 divided by minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. B is equal to minus 1 I am getting. Like that, to eliminate the first two terms, put S equal to 3. Put S is equal to 3. I am going to get it as 2 into 3 square minus 6 into 3 plus 5 equal to A into 0, B into 0, because S equal to 3. Both the terms will eliminate. Plus C into 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2. That is 3 square is 9. 9 into 2, 18. Minus 3 into 18. Correct? Plus 5 equal to C into 2 into 1, which implies C is equal to 18 cancels 5. 5 divided by 2. C is 5 divided by 2 here. Therefore, I can write it as that is 2s square minus divide s square minus 6s plus 5 whole divided by s minus 1 into s minus 2 into s minus 3. I can write it as a equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by s minus 1 plus b. B is minus 1 divided by s minus 2. C is 5 by 2 divided by s minus 3. To find out its inverse Laplace transform, applying inverse Laplace transform on both sides. Okay, you can use linear property on the right hand side now. Therefore, inverse Laplace transform of 2s square minus 6s plus 5 whole divided by s minus 1 into s minus 2 into s minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 times inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s minus 1 minus inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s minus 2 plus 5 by 2 times inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s minus 3. This one I can write it as 1 by 2 into e to the power t. Correct? And this is minus e to the power 2t for this one, and for this one 5 by 2 into e to the power 3t I can write. Okay, this is the required answer here. Like that, another example I am giving as a work here. I will give the answer also. You can pause the video and solve it and check your answer. This is the question. find inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s into s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3. I will give the answer here. Its final answer is 1 by 6 minus e to the power minus t divided by 2 plus e to the power minus 2t divided by 2 minus e to the power minus 3t divided by 6. Okay, verify your answer. Please subscribe my channel, give the comments, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you, friends.